This video is related to multiple choice questions from topic chelation from paper Inorganic Chemistry. If you want to such videos, then subscribe my Swapnali S. Jadhav channel for upcoming videos. Like and share to your friends also. These videos are most useful for your exam, so I request to see video completely. So let us start the video. First question is, Chile is a word. Latin, Greek, French, none of these. So correct option is option B, that is Chile is a Greek word. Chile means fingers of hand, scorpion's legs, crab's claw, none of this. So correct option is option C, Chile means crab's claw. The term chillate was first used by to describe the formation of metal chillate. G.T. Morgan and H.D. K. Drew, Lewis and Newton, H. Dial and Liebig, none of these. So correct option is option A. The term chillate was first used by G.T. Morgan and H.D. K. Drew. The next, the number of atoms or groups of a chelating agent linked to same metal atom or ion in a metal chelate is called as Chillicity, density, none of this. Here not density, here is denticity. Spelling mistake is denticity. So the number of atoms or groups of a chelating agent linked to same metal atom or ion in a metal chelate is called as denticity, that we known as monodentate, bidentate, tridentate. Okay, then next, the formation of heterocyclic ring by the association of polydentate ligand with metal is known as metal complex, metal chelate, both A and B, none of this. So the formation of heterocyclic ring by the association of polydentate ligand with metal is known as metal chelate, option B. Polydentate ligands may act as agent, complexing, chelating, reducing, none of these. So polydentate ligand may act as chelating agent. The metal chelate is also called chelated complex, cyclic complex, ring type complex, all of these. So the metal chelate is also called chelated complex, cyclic complex, ring type complex, means correct option is D, that is all of these. The nature of bond between metal atom or ion and chelating agent may be covalent, coordinate covalent, both A and B, ionic. So the nature of bond between metal atom or ion and chelating agent may be covalent, coordinate covalent, means correct option is C, that is both A and B. Metal chelate consists of ring, cyclic, homocyclic, heterocyclic, polycyclic. So correct option is C, that is heterocyclic. Metal chelate consists of heterocyclic ring. More the number of heterocyclic rings, will be the stability of metal chelate. So more the number of heterocyclic ring, more will be the stability of metal chelate, option A. Chelating agents possess at least donor groups 1, 2, 3, 4. So correct option is chelating agent possesses at least 2 donor groups, that is option B. The chelated complexes are found to be stable than non-chelated complexes. This effect is known as chelate effect. So the chelated complexes are found to be more stable than non-chelated complexes. This effect is known as the chelate effect. Remember the definition of chelate effect, option A. Then next, chelating ligands are always ligands, bridging, monodentate, polydentate, ambidentate. So correct option is chelating here agents. Chelating agents are always polydentate ligands, that is option C. The next, more stable metal chelate generally contains membered ring 4, 5, 6, 7. So more stable metal chelate generally contains 5 membered ring, option B. Chelate containing dot dot membered ring is strain free and more stable. 4, 5, 6, 7. So correct option is option B. Chelate containing 5 membered ring is strain free and more stable. The next, decrease in strain in metal chelate dot dot stability. Increases, decreases, first increases and then decreases, does not change. So decrease in strain in metal chelate increases stability, option A. In metal complex, approaching ligands are always dot dot. Unidentate, polydentate, both A and B, none of these. Here you may also ask a question on metal complex. Remember, in metal complex, approaching ligands are always unidentate. In metal chelate, approaching ligands are polydentate, while in metal complex, approaching ligands are always unidentate. Then next, the nature of chemical bonds in metal complexes are essentially dot dot. Covalent, coordinate, both A and B, none of these. So the nature of chemical bonds in metal complexes are essentially coordinate. In metal chelate, both type, coordinate, covalent, coordinate, or both type. Here only essentially coordinate, remember that. Metal chelate has dot dot stability, low, high, medium, none of these. So metal chelate has high stability, option B. While metal complex has dot dot stability, relatively metal complex has low stability. Dot dot classified chelating agents on the basis of the total number of sigma bonds formed by donor atoms present in a chelating agent. Lewis, Newton, H. Dye, none of these. So correct option is option C. H. Dye classified chelating agents on the basis of the total number of sigma bonds formed by donor atoms present in a chelating agent. The next, the classification of chelating agent is made on the basis of dot dot. Nitrogen atoms, oxygen atoms, number of electrons, number of donor groups. So the classification of chelating agent is made on the basis of number of donor groups, option D. Chelating agent having two acidic groups is dot dot. Ethylene diamine, oxalic acid, glycine, none of these. So chelating agent having two acidic groups is from that oxalic acid, that is option B. Remember that. Chelating agent having two acidic group, so two acidic group options are oxalic acid, phthalic acid, malonic acid, all of these. So chelating agents having two acidic groups in oxalic acid also, phthalic acid also, malonic acid also. Therefore correct option is D, all of these. Remember that. Oxalic acid is a dot dot dentate chelating agent. Mono, bi, tri, tetra. So oxalic acid is bidentate chelating agent. Remember that. You may also ask question this. Oxalate ion is dot dot dentate ligand. Mono, bi, tri, tetra. So oxalate ion is also bidentate ligand. Chelating agent having one acidic and one coordinating group is dot dot. Phthalic acid, ethylene diamine, EDTA, glycine. So chelating agent having one acidic and one coordinating group is glycine. Another example is oxime. It is also known as 8-hydroxyquinoline, containing one acidic and one coordinating group. The next, glycine is a dot dot dentate ligand. Mono, bi, tri, tetra. So glycine is also bidentate ligand. Chelating agent having two coordinating groups is phthalic acid, ethylene diamine, orthophenanthroline, both B and C. We know that phthalic acid containing two acidic group, therefore it is not containing two coordinating group. So ethylene diamine and orthophenanthroline containing the two coordinating groups. So correct option is both B and C. Which of the following chelating agent is symmetrical? Glycine, oxime, ethylene diamine, none of these. So correct option is ethylene diamine is symmetrical chelating agent, that it contains same donor groups. Then next, which of the following chelating agent is symmetrical? Oxalate ion, butylene diamine, 2,2-bipyridine, all of these. So in last question we see that ethylene diamine is symmetrical chelating agent. Here also oxalate ion, butylene diamine, 2,2-bipyridine also symmetrical chelating agent, means correct option is D, that is all of these. Next, which of the following chelating agent is asymmetrical? Asymmetrical. Oxalate ion, oxime, ethylene diamine, none of these. We know that oxalate ion and ethylene diamine are the symmetrical chelating agent. Hence, correct option is B, oxime. Oxime is also known as 8-hydroxyquinoline. Remember that. Then next, chelates are used in ... water softening, analytical chemistry, removal of lead ion from blood, all of these. So chelates are used in water softening, analytical chemistry, removal of lead ion from blood, means correct option is D, that is all of these. Next, EDTA is ... dentate chelating agent, mono, bi, penta, hexa. So EDTA is hexadentate chelating agent. In EDTA molecule, ... acidic groups are present, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in EDTA molecule, 4 acidic groups are present. Next, the number of 5-membered heterocyclic rings formed in case of iron EDTA chelate are ... 3, 4, 5, 6. So here correct option is C, that is 5. The number of 5-membered heterocyclic ring formed in case of iron EDTA chelate are also 5. EDTA is used for ... water softening, food preservation, masking, all of these. So EDTA is used for water softening, food preservation, masking, means correct option is D, all of these. Also remember, EDTA is used to removal of dissolved salts, to evaluate total hardness of water. Also it having medicinal use, that is to treat copper and lead poisoning, etc. are the uses of the EDTA. Then next, EDTA is useful in analytical chemistry because it is ... agent, conducting, good complexing, good chelating, none of this. So EDTA is useful in analytical chemistry because it is good chelating agent, option C. During determination of hardness of water sample, hard water sample is titrated against standard EDTA solution using ... indicator. Phenolphthalein, methyl red, ureochrome black tea, methyl orange. So correct option is, which indicator is used for titration? That is ureochrome black tea. DMG was discovered by ... O. Brunek, L. Changap, Lewis, none of these. So DMG was discovered by scientist L. Changap when in 1905. DMG was discovered by L. Changap and used by ... for determination of nickel in steel. So correct option is option A, O. Brunek. DMG was used by O. Brunek for determination of nickel in steel. The next, DMG is a selective for ... magnesium 2 plus ion, nickel 2 plus ion, titanium 2 plus ion, bismuth 2 plus ion. So DMG is selective for nickel 2 plus ion, that is option B. Nickel forms ... colored chelate with DMG in presence of ammonia. Blue, green, violet, scarlet, red. So nickel forms scarlet red colored chelate with DMG in presence of ammonia. Nickel forms scarlet red colored needle shaped crystals when solution is acidified and treated with solution of DMG. 1% acidic, 10% acidic, 1% alcoholic, 10% alcoholic. So correct option is 1% alcoholic solution of DMG. Nickel is precipitated as bis dimethyl glyoxymato nickel second in presence of Here nickel, NiCkel. Yes, spelling mistake. Remember, sorry. So options are alcohol, ether, ammonia, HCl. So correct option is C, that is ammonia, NH3. Coordination number of nickel in NiDMG2 complex is, that is bis dimethyl glyoxymato nickel second complex is 2, 3, 4, 6. So coordination number of nickel is 4. In colorimetric estimation of nickel, nickel second is oxidized to by bromine water. Nickel third, nickel fourth, nickel fifth, nickel sixth. So correct option is B, nickel fourth. In colorimetric estimation of nickel, nickel second is oxidized to nickel fourth by bromine water. Next, palladium is precipitated as a colored complex by DMG from dilute mineral acid solution. Red, green, yellow, blue. So palladium is precipitated as a yellow complex by DMG from dilute mineral acid solution. DMG means, up to we see for DMG, EDTA. So what is mean by DMG? What is mean by EDTA? So DMG means, options are dimethyl glycol, diethyl glycol, dimethyl glyoxime, diethyl glyoxime. So correct option is option C, DMG means dimethyl glyoxime. The next, EDTA means ethylene diamine triacetic acid, ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, ethylene diamine triacetaldehyde, ethylene diamine tetraacetaldehyde. So correct option is option B, EDTA means ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. Remember that. Okay. Here we completed 50 multiple choice questions from topic chelation. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Once again I request to please subscribe my channel, like and share to your friends my video. Thank you very much.